Hello, blessed people. Hey, how you doing? It's so nice to see you. I'm so glad you could join me today on YouTube. My name is Deshawn and you're watching Distinctively Deshawn. Today is part 2 of my messy room and I invite you to come along. So welcome to my home. So family, I figured we would just pick up where we left off in the previous video because it was just too much to do to get it all in one video. And plus, y'all's attention span is, we got to come up in that area because I'm trying to get my watch time hours up, okay? And I don't be holding y'all past 15 minutes. Probably not even that at this point, but I'm keeping the faith. And let me just say this. If you are here, I'm going to assume that you're here because you want to be here, because you enjoy the content that I am producing. Now, to each his own. So if this is something that you don't enjoy, that's fine too. But for those of you who do, and have subscribed for that reason, guys, it's so important that we watch the video all the way through, because if you click on a video and you click off within like a few minutes or so, or not too long of watching it, it makes YouTube think that the video is not interesting, and so it will not recommend and suggest it as it normally would if you watch the video all the way through. Okay. And so you guys may not realize it, but when you do that, you're hurting the channel versus helping it by clicking on and clicking off. So, that's very, very important, especially with these new upcoming rules that they have in, February, I think, of 2027. Y'all, look at my beautiful daughters. That's my oldest daughter on the left and my youngest daughter to the right. I just want to say thank you to my new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. I appreciate you guys subscribing. I appreciate my loyal, faithful family who continues to come back week after week and engage in the videos. I appreciate y'all. Y'all see my boy David? I told y'all in the previous video he be hanging out with me, every other night or every night or so. And people keep telling me to stop fooling with David because he can get salty from time to time. And, he's not good for me. But for some reason, I keep fooling with him. Y'all, I found this girl online that makes these tumblers. Super cute, that I had ordered one not too long ago, and now I have 4. She's amazing, really reasonable prices. I'll have to get her information and post it if y'all like tumblers and y'all are interested. Let me know in the comments.
Yeah, I know it's been a little while, but I gotta let them know. Yeah, gotta let them know. If you ever been down, opportunity to grow. Yeah, opportunity to grow. I know you having trouble understanding it. If you trust in God, he got his hands in it. I promise he'll protect you like it's lamb in it. He don't get the glory if the man did it. You gotta stand with him. I know. Yeah, life gets hard and it feels like it's no way out. Yeah, I promise if you just keep going, it'll all work out. Yeah, cause that's my guy. He won't let you go by fire. All you need to know right now, he gon' pick you up, give you love right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All I want isn't all I need. Give me God, because
Everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for
I
me.
know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth. He won't let you go by far. All you need to know right now, he gon' pick you up, give you love right now, yeah. All I want isn't all I need. Give me God, because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. Everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. Everything I am, I'm trading.
God started revealing this revelation. I had to upgrade the title. It's gonna be trading faith. It's gonna take you trading where you put your faith. And what we have to do, which is a very scary thing for people, is take our trust out of what's gotten us here and now trade it for the presence of what God wants to do in our life. Trading faith is changing the faith that got you here for the faith that will take you there. Where's there? Your prophetic promise. Where is there? You walking in purpose? When my anger's about to go crazy, I don't run to a bottle. That's what I used to trust. That's what got me here. I don't run to money and being a workaholic. That's what I used to trust. That's where I used to put my faith. I don't even run to my husband or wife because they are not the source. They are just a resource. I am trading where I used to go, and I'm putting it in the one who can actually heal me.
Everything I am, I'm trading.
Family, can I just tell y'all what happened to me today, okay? I have gotten so many packages delivered here. Why did my package get stolen? Like, I'm so annoyed, okay? God knows I have to be okay. But I am so annoyed. Like, I hate that feeling of that you get when somebody takes something from you. It's so violating. Like, I feel so violated right now. I do. But you know what I did? I prayed for the person that took it. Because perhaps they needed it more than I did. Or do. I don't know. I don't know what, I don't know. I just figured I'd share because, this is real life. And right now for me, this is real time. This is happening in the midst of me editing. So somebody take something from y'all. You got to give it to God and still pray for the person. Because we know the devil comes to steal, kill, and destroy. But God comes that we may have life and that we may have it more abundant. So I just speak life over whoever stole it, that they don't have to steal no more. And I give thanks anyhow, anywho, for this is God's will concerning me. But Lord knows I'm annoyed.
You bring dead things life, you restore my mind in the darkest night. And I still can't find a good reason why you ain't left my side.
Would y'all believe me if I told y'all that I got my bed and mattress from Temu for less than $200? 'Cause I did. And it's amazing. And my bed lights up at night if I wanted to. I couldn't even believe it. So, or maybe you do. Maybe you be like, that little cheap looking cheesy bed. Girl, we believe it. Okay? I don't know. It could go either way. But I'm going to just say, I can't believe it because it was a good purchase. And it's like just right for me. I had taken these red covers and sheet sets off of my bed. And why did the dye or whatever it was from the sheets, no, not the sheet, the pillowcase covers, stain my pillows? No, I'm not happy about that. Even after a wash. Like, make that make sense. Well, guys, we've come to the conclusion of today's video. It has been the most enjoyable time. I hope you all enjoy hanging out with me because I always enjoy hanging out with you. This is part 2 of the messy room cleaning motivation. And so if you needed some motivation yourself, I hope this was suffice for you to help you get up and get to going. Okay? Be sure to like, share, and comment on the video. Also, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy what you saw today. We would love to have you become a part of the family. I hope you all have a blessed and a prosperous week. Until next time, ciao.